Today I am going to teach you about fast-track strategies for making money. Want to make money faster without wasting months going in the wrong direction? There is no magic formula for instant wealth, but there are smart strategies that can help you move faster. In this video, I'll share a simple roadmap you can start using today. Click the link below to learn more.
Step 1. Learn a valuable skill. Start with a skill people are willing to pay for. This could be sales, video editing, graphic design, copywriting, website design, social media management, or another useful skill. The goal is simple: learn a skill, solve a problem. Get paid. Step 2. Find a real problem.
Don't just ask, how can I make money? Ask, what problem can I solve for someone? Businesses and customers pay for solutions that save time, increase sales, reduce problems, or make life easier. Find a problem and create a simple solution.
Step 3, find your first customers. You don't need a huge website or thousands of followers to get started. Reach out to potential customers, network, create useful content, and show people what you can.
Your first goal isn't to become rich. It's to make your first sale and learn from it.
Step 4, test before you scale. Don't spend months building something nobody wants. Create a simple offer, test it, get feedback, and improve. The process is idea toward test, toward sale, toward feedback, toward improve. Once you find something that works, then you can scale. The process is idea, test, sale, feedback, improve. Once you find something that works, then you can scale.
Step 5. Reinvest your profits. When money starts coming in, don't spend everything. Reinvest some of your profits into better equipment, marketing, software, training, or additional help. Let your business use its profits to create more growth.
Step 6, build multiple income streams. Once you have one reliable income stream, consider adding another. Please like, subscribe to learn.
You could eventually combine services, digital products, affiliate marketing, content, or other suitable income sources. But focus on one thing at a time. Learn a skill, solve a problem, find customers, make sales, reinvest.
Don't chase quick money. Build something valuable and let your results grow over time. Like, subscribe, and follow for more practical business and money-making ideas.